Hello YouTube, it's me, Caleb with Caleb Schmaltz Vacuums, and today I bring you my Hoover Turbo Power 3200, allergen filtration. Takes type A bags, but I have a type Z fitted in there. Just happen to have those laying around, and it seemed to fit, so I'll use that for now. Anyways, the story behind this is at a local flea market called Jamie's Flea Market, I got this vacuum for $5. And she also had what I believe to be a Kenmore Quick Clean, which I regret not buying. The vacuum you see the part of here, I gotta get the rest of it, is my Hoover Runabout Deluxe. I gotta get the rest of the parts to reconstruct that. I also have a Hoover Energy Efficient one that's the same setup. Well, without further ado, get you adjusted down here. This is cat litter and carpet fresh ground in. So, let's get started. Seems to be a screw or something on my carpet. Now, if you could tell me what that squeaking sound is at the end, let me know. Here, I'll turn it back on and off for you. That, I think it just might need oiled. But, let's see how my bag worked. That worked great. So, if you have any Hoovers like this that have a bag cover, word of advice, check out using Hoover Type Z. They're pretty much the same, but they work a lot better. Now, as I told you, it was a brand new bag in here originally when I started out today. And it's now to about there. So, I'm going to start putting Hoover Type Z bags in here. Also, this doesn't even have the genuine Hoover belt on it. It has a Dirt Devil Style 10 belt, which I also have one on that Eureka the Boss that my mom has now. So they're kind of just like the dock belts. I got one from a vacuum lady in Sheffield. I think they closed now, but anyways, it has a bunch of white dots on it. It will fit most major brands: Hoover, Eureka, Kenmore, Dirt Devil. You name it, it fits it. So that's pretty much what that one worked as. Anyways, many more vacuums to come. Thanks for watching.